Have you ever wondered how our nerves end in our body and what their role is in our sensory and motor functions? It's a fascinating topic, and we're about to dive deep into it. In the intricate tapestry of our body's communication system, peripheral nerve terminations are like the threads that weave the entire masterpiece together. These nerve fibers terminate in a variety of ways, each contributing to different aspects of our sensory and motor functions. In the realm of sensory nerves, their terminations play a pivotal role in our sense organs, allowing us to perceive the world around us. On the other hand, motor nerves, with their intricate terminations in our muscles, enable us to move and act in our environment. The complexity of these nerve terminations may seem overwhelming, but it's this very complexity that makes them so crucial to our existence. Understanding the peripheral terminations of nerves is like unlocking the secrets of our body's communication system. Imagine the sensory nerves as the body's information highway, carrying messages from the outer world to the brain. These nerves are the unsung heroes of our everyday experiences, enabling us to touch, taste, smell, hear, and see. Now, let's delve deeper into the structure of these sensory nerves. They are essentially elongated cells, stretching out like long tendrils from the central nervous system to various parts of the body. These nerves terminate in different ways, depending on their specific function and location. For instance, some sensory nerves end in the skin, allowing us to feel temperature, pressure, and pain. Others terminate in the muscles, providing us with a sense of body position and movement. There are also those that end in the organs of sight, hearing, taste, and smell, linking us to the world around us. These terminations in the sensory nerves are not random. They are intricately connected to specialized structures known as sense organs. These organs act as translators, converting external stimuli like light, sound, and touch into electrical signals that the sensory nerves can carry to the brain. In essence, sensory nerves, with their diverse terminations, function as the body's information gatherers. They bridge the gap between our physical surroundings and our conscious experience, allowing us to interact with and make sense of the world around us. So, the sensory nerves, with their unique terminations, act as our body's information gatherers. Now, let's shift our focus to the motor nerves, the action heroes of our nervous system. Motor nerves play a crucial role in our everyday life. Their main job is to carry signals from our brain to our muscles, allowing us to move. But how do these nerves actually end or terminate? Let's break it down. Motor nerves can be traced into two types of muscle fibers: unstriped and striped. Unstriped or involuntary muscles are the ones we don't consciously control, like our heart. The nerves that serve these muscles are mainly composed of non-medulated fibers, meaning they don't have a protective layer known as a myelin sheath. Near their terminations, these nerves divide into numerous branches, forming intricate networks. From these networks, tiny branches snake between the involuntary muscle cells, ending in minute swellings. On the other hand, we have the striped or voluntary muscles. These are the muscles we consciously control, like those in our arms and legs. The nerves for these muscles come from the cerebrospinal nerves and are mainly composed of medulated fibers, meaning they do have a myelin sheath. These nerves, after entering the muscle, break up into bundles of fibers. Generally, a single nerve fiber enters a single muscular fiber, but sometimes, if the muscle fiber is long, more than one nerve fiber may enter it. Within the muscle fiber, the nerve ends in a special expansion called a motor end plate. Here, the nerve fiber loses its protective sheath and only the core part, known as the axis cylinder, enters the muscle fiber. It then spreads out like the roots of a tree, becoming embedded in a layer of granular matter. This entire structure, known as an end plate, is where the contractile wave of the muscle fiber starts, essentially triggering muscle movement. Thus, the motor nerves, through their specific terminations, drive our every action, every movement. So, what does this all mean for us in our daily lives? Well, understanding peripheral nerve terminations is key to grasping how we interact with the world. These terminations play a pivotal role in our sensory perceptions, letting us feel the world around us, and in our motor functions, enabling us to move and respond. It's a complex network, an intricate dance of communication that happens every second of every day. Next time you move a finger or feel the wind on your skin, remember, it's all thanks to the intricate terminations of your nerves.